All right, it is the Wednesday leading up to LAN weekend. This time around, LAN is gonna be at my place. We typically do summer LANs at my place because we have central air and pretty good air conditioning. And we're in the basement too. This is like the ideal spot to do like a hot summer LAN. So it's September now. It almost feels like fall because Washington weather is starting to transition now. It's getting darker sooner, but it's still technically summer LAN because fall doesn't start till September 22nd, and this is happening weekend of September 15th. So technically still summer LAN, but yeah. Tonight I have a couple of things that I want to do. I want to change the ceiling lights because I've been meaning to change those for a long time, and it is going to be directly above where we're going to be sitting. And then I also want to install a bidet in the bathroom that pretty much everyone is going to be using. We'll do that in a second, but in terms of attendance for this LAN, we have 14 people planned coming, and I think this is the highest head count that we've had ever. Earlier tonight during the stream, I pulled up like the pictures from the different LANs that we took and stuff like that, and the highest head count I was counting was like 11 or 12. I thought we had hit 13 or 14 before, but apparently not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 is... I know we've had more than 11 before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I could have sworn we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we're going from 11 to 14. 3 extra computers is a lot. In terms of the circuits and the outlets in my house, they're gonna be heavily loaded. So we're gonna take care of that tomorrow though. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna try to plan so that we don't trip the circuit breakers at all. 14 people. In terms of who is going to be missing out this LAN, unfortunately we will be missing out on Aretha again. She cannot make this one. Last time at Jan's house she couldn't make it because she was sick that whole weekend, so she joined in remotely. This time around she is not sick, but she had prior arrangement on Saturday morning that she could not get out of. So Aretha's gonna be joining us remotely. We do have Nick back. He had knee surgery last time, so he missed last LAN, but he's good to go now this time around. We have Jesse flying in again since he's not in state, but he's flying in for this one. And then we also have Sean, who lives in Oregon now, but he's also driving up for this one. So yeah, that's the roster lineup or whatever, and changes. Like I mentioned before in previous prep videos, I like to use these LAN parties as a reason for me to be a better homeowner and do small little home improvement or projects around the house that I've been too lazy to do otherwise. But yeah, so we're gonna tackle these ceiling lights, and they're gonna be LED lights. Right now I have LED bulbs in there, but I'll show you. It's kind of like, you know, older school boob light, and this one has let me change the thing to automatic, but yeah, it's like these boob dome lights. So I'm gonna be replacing them with kind of flatter LED lights. I've already gone ahead and cleaned up the area for the most part. This was way messier just a few days ago, but I've already cleaned up as much as I could. So it's pretty much a clear floor. All we gotta do is roll these shelves out of the way and move those 2 tables into here, and we should be good to go. We're gonna do the lights and then we're gonna do the bidet. So let's get that going real fast. So these are the lights that I'm gonna be installing. Very low profile, thin, big LED circular panels. I went with these because I really don't want to drill holes for actual recessed lighting in the ceilings. I don't want to drill, you know, big holes, or I don't want to drill multiple holes if I got smaller lights. Just doing these one big panel. These are just screw in, and they look pretty good. Of course, gotta use my LTT Ninja Turtle Red screwdriver to do any and all housework. I need a headlamp. Alright, there you have it. One right there, and the other one right there. Let's test them out. Well, bam! There it is. Alright, next up is the bidet, which is gonna be, should be a simple install. This is gonna be like my 4th or 5th time installing a bidet in my entire life. This is like a $20 to $30 bidet from Amazon. Nothing fancy about it. No heated seats, no heated water. It's just cold water, like straight from the tap in your bunghole. But it keeps you cleaner than dry wiping. So yeah, just gonna have to empty the tank out, turn off the water, and then disconnect the line. Get that in there. Should be pretty fast and simple. Don't want to drop the LTT screwdriver into the toilet. Probably should use a different one. There it is. Got the bidet right there. I'll show you how powerful this is. It is crazy how far this thing shoots. If my estimations are correct, it's gonna, I mean, look at this distance, this is crazy. I think it's gonna hit that, but we'll see. Let's see if this does it. Let me see if I can show the angle from here. Oh my God. It just went straight up all the way from there, and I had too much power. Let me wipe that up. But I think if I lowered the intensity a bit, instead of going out there, I could get an arc all the way over there. I'm not gonna try more because I think that was enough. And yeah, good to go. So if you use this, seeing that I was easily able to hit the ceiling, you know you're gonna be clean. That's pretty much gonna be it for tonight though. Got the bidet done, as well as the ceiling lights. We got more stuff to do tomorrow, but it's getting pretty late now, so I'm gonna call it a night. Alright, it's Thursday evening right now, a little bit past 7 p.m. And Jen and Meg are on their way up. So I'm just sitting here editing a video that I'm trying to get out by tomorrow. Always editing last minute before LAN Party. But yeah, I'm trying to get this done. But once they get here, they're gonna unpack, and then we're gonna move the setup around, as well as check out all the different outlets I have down here in the basement. Ooh, Tim. Hello, Tim. Come on, Tim, let's go. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Hello, hello, hello.
So I'll grab that table.
Yeah. Nice, it fit.
Right.
Already. Yeah, yeah. It's not dark enough for the side lights to come on. I think you guys are gonna be staying upstairs. Okay. We'll give James and Tara's down here. There's like this too, which should be able to fit 2 people if we need. So we'll figure it out. Did you guys end up bringing chairs or no? Okay. Yeah, if you guys want to claim one of the 4 computer chairs. I'm so tempted to have just someone also park on the left side in the grass fully, but we'll see. Yeah, because I can't believe how many people are driving individually. Like, it is ridiculous how many cars.
Casey, you ever figure out his ride?
Yeah, okay. He's gonna take his dad's car.
Okay.
He was gonna come later because his dad needed a ride from the airport tomorrow, but now he's coming in the morning. What the heck? Is that Melissa at the door? Oh, are you playing with him? Okay.
Like a strange box?
No, I thought he pushed the door open.
Yeah, right.
So these 4 are the ones that are up for grabs.
Mesh. I like these ones.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, cool. Mark can take this one.
Very tasty. Oh, you have something to put in the fridge?
No. We have drinks.
Yeah,
Oh,
put in the
that we
fridge,
would like
yeah.
to-
You're gonna sit right next to the bathroom, so when people poop, you'll smell it.
Yeah.
That's why I'm next it. What's up, babe?
I said, do you need to grab anything?
Oh yeah, if you want to grab the case in the drone bag. Drone bag?
There are some dead spiders. I did vacuum.
Right there. I see
Yep,
some.
it's okay. Don't worry. They're dead. They're not even juicy anymore. They're literally like all the juices sucked out of them. They're just dehydrated, dry.
Crunchy.
Yeah, exactly.
They're gonna
Should
sleep
be
down
good.
here. Don't say that to them.
Anything? Huh. Interesting.
Where's some fruits?
Oh, that's why. I think when you break, that's what happened.
What happened?
Monitor broke.
Oh no.
Shit.
Did you hear it?
I mean, there was. Yeah.
There's some person had braked really hard,
Oh, no.
and I heard a shuffle in the back, but
Oh, fuck. Do you have a spare?
Yeah, I've
Okay,
seen it.
cool.
Dang, that's crazy.
That sucks. No. Should have. I thought about putting a pillow in between the bumper, cushion it, but I was like, no, it's not gonna need it.
Yeah. Well, it works out.
Learned.
Yeah. Okay, so this one right here.
that's a really big monitor.
I know, I told you it was a big monitor. I said, did you want a big monitor?
I said it.
The experience.
Yes. I feel so bad.
That's okay. It's okay.
Now you get to
It's a little
try
curved.
curved.
All right, time to do some speed tests. Let's do it on the laptop just to see what the Wi-Fi is. And then we'll do it on your desktop. This is Wi-Fi. It's not the best down here in the basement. The router is very far away. Up is like 40? Why is it like double the down? And then here is hardwired in. So 940 down.
400.
Not really.
It was 800 during the LAN, so it's gone shit. Well, it's 500, but 800 during the LAN, 500 now.
900 up.
And
Yes.
20 up.
Yeah, your down was really good. It surprised me, but then when your up came, it's like, well, yep, typical Comcast. Let's test the circuits in the house. So we're gonna FaceTime each other essentially. So just plug into that, and then I will be at the breaker, and then I'll mark it once I get the ding, and then I'll tell you to go to the next one. Okay, so that's number 19. So let me mark that on here. Can you go into the bathroom? Can you open up the door on the left? Yep, right there.
Are you gonna run a cable out here? Or just checking?
We might run it 11, huh? We might run a cable in there if we have to. Can you do the outlet right outside of it? Yep. Ooh, that one's 7. Okay, so those are 2 separate ones. Okay, so that's a 7. Okay, now can you do the one underneath my desk? I think I left an opening. Yep. Okay. Alright, so that one's 16, so that's a different one. Can you actually go outside? So,
Backyard?
yep, backyard. And then, can you try that outlet right there? The one outside is 18.
Lost video signal.
Yeah, I think you have to come back inside.
18. Okay, we good outside?
Yep, we're good outside. Alright, thank you, sir. We have everything mapped out.
That was fun.
But
Yeah,
it's good
so
too. There is some good company.
this is what the map looks like. So
It's nice to hear that.
everything, oh my, I can't believe all these were 19 in that whole region back there. This outside one is completely separate from everything. It is a little bit past midnight now. Jen and Meg are getting ready to go to sleep, and I have to finish editing this video. So it's gonna be an editing session. You get this done, then I can go to sleep, and then tomorrow officially begins, even though it kind of began today a little bit. Did you poop?
Yeah.
Nice.
How was the bidet?
I had to readjust myself. Find the hole. Night, Danny.
Good night. Alright, so I'm gonna take a little break. I'm at a good stopping point. I'm not done yet. I probably have a couple more hours of work to do still on this, but I could use a shower. So yeah, it's 1 a.m. now. Gonna go do that, maybe brush my teeth, and then come back down. I think I didn't turn on the camera for the shower section. Hello. It is 4:16 a.m. now, so I got my edit done, got it exported, I'm good to go. Now I'm gonna go to sleep. Wow, it is so bright. Even the auto ISO can't.
Good morning.
Morning.
How'd you go to sleep?
Like 5. That's when Casey just woke up too. Let me see if Tim's outside. Tim? Oh, there you are, buddy. Hello. You sleeping in the bush? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Wait, what are you doing? Tim, come on. Take your water. Who said you can come in? You invite yourself in? Alright, have some water. Welcome to LAN, Tim. You can choose whatever spot you want. So, where do you think you're gonna sit? I'm set up right here already. Jan and Meg's already set up, so...
Martin's reserved that spot.
Yeah, Martin's got the last one, so you can't take that last spot, but you can choose any other spot. Also, there's a convenient back entrance if you would like to get some fresh air. Hey, no bathroom, no bathroom. Nothing interesting in here, buddy. What? So there's an entrance outside. We'll put a bowl outside here so you can come hang out. Yeah. This is set up. What do you think? Casey is here. Jan is taking a poop. Jan, Casey's here. I'm gonna go out.
Damn it, okay.
Hey, I'll get him. I'm gonna get him. Oh yeah, this is part where we end this video and then we're gonna have the next one soon. So bye.